Let's go with up. Let's go with e to the third power. Okay, it's education to the third power, and we say cosivo. You want cosivo? Here we go. Cos evil. Cosivo. Cosivo. Sí, cosivo. 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 Okay? We're learning English now. Cosivo. Cosivo. Godsivo. You want to go to Cosivo? Cosivo. Gosivo. Godsivo. No one understands what that is. Close. The molecular structure of light is the nature of things. I try to tell you with a tornado. Here's a tornado. You try to put the structures in there, you still don't understand, so now I'll tell you again. And then plus your winds, I just did the field test and show you the stuff, Maybe I'll give you all a sobriety test, Sobriety test, yeah. So bright, I test. You so bright, I test. Okay, you ready? Here we go. There's a tornado. You get an updraft. Why? Because you lose gravity, anti-gravity. When heat rises, it separates the particles. Now we show you that when you put salt in a boiling pot of water. Salt in boiling water make the particles accelerate, they separate, it gets hotter faster because the heat can permeate through the water, the thick water faster. Okay? Basic chemistry. And they go, well, if you got all that, let us triangulate just like old-fashioned Egyptians. The sands of time is the days of our lives. You see, you separate the particles, they move up. Big pyramid. Now the ancient Egyptians were so selfish, They bring everything there. They try to move the oceans and the oceans to the temple, you know. They get it back up in the atmosphere. But the problem was there's no forestry, no forestry, no forestry. So what they did is they said a reverse mortgage. Instead of bringing up water, they brought down. They said, we'll be the gods. And then God said, no, you won't. And this got real hot, real hot, real hot, real hot, real hot, real hot, real hot. Why? Because they made a four-sided pyramid, trying to make the Star of David. Four-sided pyramid, Star of David, you see? Not the Star of David. You know why? Because a four-sided pyramid, okay? No, how hard you try to move that around. You can make it smaller, make a few steps, you know. Okay? But you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, only 5. So we say, to dial it in correctly, you have to have the volume. Turn it up. Turn it up. You have to have the volume of water for the Voltron. Let me help out those morons with Mr. John Watsky. If he starts talking and telling you to give him money because he knows how to do this, you tell him to tell Valtron with value I saw the Valtron trucks outside of the first place I stayed at. See this? Knowing this makes that go away. American Egyptian. Anybody got any problems with that? Alien English or English American? Anybody got any problems with that? Or do you want to wait until you're out of food and water? Because that problem's not going away now that you know what the science is.